different tempos. See? It's connected.
Hey everyone, my name is Quincy Davis, and today we're going to be talking about this thing, the ride cymbal. We can't talk about the ride cymbal enough because it is the main component for playing time in a jazz, straight ahead jazz context. And so it's really important that we become very familiar and comfortable playing time on it. But more importantly, it's very important that we're able to be expressive and play with personality on the ride cymbal. So often when I ask a drummer to sing their ride cymbal beat, it sounds really stiff and kind of staccato and not connected. And also, it doesn't sound like they're actually trying to express themselves. So basically, it sounds nothing like the way we want our ride cymbal to sound. So today's lesson is to focus on how to make that connection of the way we kind of vocalize it, because it is important that we can vocalize what we're playing on the ride cymbal, how we vocalize it and how we play it. Okay. And before I continue, I want to just give a shout out to Luca in Italy. This lesson's inspired by a lesson with you. So often I get inspired by my students. So thank you, Luca. And so hopefully everyone gets a little something out of this. Okay, so this is what I want you to try right now. Dang, dang, ga dang, dang, ga 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 dang. A ride cymbal melody. I'll do it again. Dang, dang, ga dang, ga dang, 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 ga dang, ga dang, dang, ga dang, dang, ga dang, ga dang, dang, ga dang. Okay, so you can see how everything I'm singing, I am playing. Now, obviously, we don't always want to be breaking up the ride cymbal this much, right? Sometimes we just want to stick to just a repetitive ride cymbal beat, which is totally cool, more traditional. But even still, when we're doing that, dang, dang, ga 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 dang. You see? So the way I'm singing it is the way I'm playing it. Now, if I were to go dang, dang, get dang, dang, get dang, dang, get dang, that's going to imply that I'm using bad technique. I'm playing with a terrible feel, and it's just not very smooth sounding, right? So if you can kind of smooth out how you sing it, I promise you it's going to smooth out how you play it, and your technique's going to kind of fall in line with however you sing it. Okay, so I want you to practice this at different tempos. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, dig it, 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 dig it, dang, dig it, dang, dig it, dang, dig it, dang, dig it, dig it, dang, dig it, dang. You see, it's connected, right? The wonderful Greg Hutchinson likes to use walk the dog, 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 walk the dog. He's not going walk the dog, 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 or walk the dog, walk the dog. Obviously, I'm exaggerating, yes, but you get the point. I'm singing how I play it. Walk the dog, walk the dog, walk the dog, walk the dog, walk the dog. Now, if you don't use words, then you can have a little more freedom with it. So I use digga 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 ding, digga ding, digga ding, digga ding. Also, when you're singing it, make sure you're connecting it. So if you notice, ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding, there's a continuous kind of tone happening that represents the cymbal's resonance and the cymbal's sustain. Don't go dick-a-ding, dick-a-ding, ding. Tension, because that's not how the ride cymbal sounds. Sometimes I'll also sing it with more breath. Ding-a-ding. Because that's how the cymbal sounds. I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, so either way, you want to make sure that however you sing it, you're connecting. It sounds legato and it sounds connected. Okay, well, I really hope this was helpful. Short and simple lesson, but a very important one, and one I want you to practice a lot on, and see if it kind of enhances how you play time and puts a little more personality and soul into your playing. Okay? If you found value in the lesson, you got something out of it, please make sure you press the like button and subscribe if you have not already. And share it with your friends. You know, if you think that someone else is going to benefit from this lesson, share it with them. So until the next time, keep swinging as always, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Take care. Bye.